What's up, guys? Today I decided to do a little prank on Twin. So later on we're gonna record. I was thinking to do a little prank on him that's gonna get him mad, angry, scared. I don't know what the hell's gonna happen. But my plan is to record inside. I'm gonna be like, you know what? Let's go outside. Let's go record outside. Meanwhile, we're recording. I'm gonna tell my brother to move his car to the other side, to the other street. So when we go outside, he's not gonna see his car. So obviously he's gonna freak out because he loves that car more than he loves me. It's me. But let's see his reaction, and I hope this prank goes really well. I think this is gonna be a good video. Make sure to watch it fully and let us know what you think, okay? Hold on, and the prank starts now. Right, guys, so my brother's gonna move it right now. So it's inside. We'll see how it goes. Kind of scared.
Hey,
What's up?
I didn't see your car.
Nah?
The fuck? I didn't know you were here right now.
Yeah.
It worked though.
It was right in front.
Your car?
Yeah.
I didn't see it.
Swear.
Swear. It's right there?
It should be in the front.
Right there? No, you probably parked on the side, no?
No, it's in the front.
What?
They took your
You
shit.
took your shit then?
It was next to Tommy's.
Nah.
Yeah.
I parked over here, maybe I didn't see it.
Where?
Over here.
Swear.
Swear.
Hey.
It's right there.
Go check the fucking.
Nah.
What is that called?
They told it?
I don't know. Were you supposed to make a payment?
Well, not yet.
Go
For
check for
I
real.
didn't know you were here.
Yeah.
What if it's real?
Oh, shit. What the?
What if they took it like Fabian's car?
¿Qué?
No está caro el suyo.
¿Contame?
Yeah, ahí está. Sí.
La grúa.
Y...
Ahí sale. ¿Te acuerdas?
Sí.
No, pero ¿por qué?
Me parqué bien.
¿Sí?
Me siguió Diego.
So guys, he was parked right here.
O no.
And it's not here no more.
Te digo. ¿No lo parqueaste ahí atrás de la troca blanca?
No, estaba en la Durango y luego aquí, ¿ves? Aquí.
Ah, caray.
What did you do?
I told you it's not here, Twin.
If you get a ticket, it can't come take it? Or something?
Well, I didn't get a ticket, right? I haven't gotten a ticket.
That's funny.
¿En qué me voy?
What'd you say?
Pues vete
¿En
en
qué
el
me
jeep.
voy ahora?
Llévate el jeep.
¿Al jeep? Pues ya qué. Oh,
Can you tell everybody what happened?
I had to call. ¿Puedo hablar al... ¿Cómo se llama?
Al 911.
Tiene donde pueden ver dónde está.
Oh. Ah, que tu ignora.
¿Y ahora? ¿Qué hago?
Even if you get tickets, you can't,
No.
¿La grúa dónde se los lleva?
O sea, al...
Al
¿cómo se llama?
corralón.
Ajá, al corralón.
The bird is telling you something.
Ah, de aquí, güey.
No.
No, porque estaba en la troca ahí.
Pero ahí están las llaves.
Pues por eso. Es que hace rato también un muchacho dijo, nice car, como diciendo... Bueno, fui a la tienda. No sé si
Did he
agarré
follow
las
you?
placas, a lo mejor.
Háblale a tu papá, dile qué hace. O a tu mamá.
No, está bien asustado.
Yeah, don't
¿Tu
call
papá?
them. Don't call them.
A mi más sí, mi papá no.
¿Tu papá se asusta?
Don't call him.
No,
Don't call
Oh,
him.
digo.
Call your brother. Call Gio.
Hey, tengo una pregunta. Do they steal your car? Do they leave something?
You think if they steal your car, they're gonna come and leave you a
Or
note?
like, what did you do?
What happened?
I left right here in Karen's house, right here.
Did you park it otra vez donde no es?
Nah, right here in front of Karen's house.
In front of Karen's house?
Yeah.
This is stolen. Don't you have like anti-theft in your
Yeah.
I don't know. I never had my.
I've never had my car stolen.
Oh, you have it too?
Yeah, but I never had my car.
Yeah, we're gonna take it. Ah, pues. Bye.
¿Qué dijo?
Que le hable al anti-theft. ¿Cómo se dice?
I don't know. Your hand's shaking?
Yeah.
Why the fuck your hand's shaking?
Well, my car, dude. What the fuck?
Sí, como no es el tuyo, ¿verdad?
Ah, que se lleven el mío.
O te traigan el tuyo, tú y le
Oh, sí. A
Check
ver cómo
online.
hace. Anti-theft. I have the anti-theft thing. So the same thing I got it.
The guy followed you?
He was selling socks.
Okay.
That's all he knows.
He traded your...
He said, he even said it twice. Nice car, bro. Y luego ya cuando me iba a ir para adentro. Nice car, bro.
¿2 veces te dijo? ¿En cuál tienda?
En la furfuela de ahí por mi casa.
He's professional, then how did he come and you have your keys?
Right there.
And what does that do? I don't get it.
They search where it is. They lock it so they won't turn it on.
¿Te ayudo?
I'm pretty sure it's the towing truck. They can't just steal it. Your alarm would have gone off. I think it's a towing place.
Oh, shit. Se la llevó.
Were you scared?
Está mi corazón.
Sientes el corazón, dice.
Está así. Oye, espera, eso se ve conocido.
Te habla Bobby. ¿Qué digo? Ese carro se me hace conocido. ¿Qué hizo? ¡Ay, lo lleva!
Aquí vino el muchacho a regresármelo.
Carlos dijo, eso se parece a mi carro.
Quiero regresar.
Hasta le dio calor, hijo.
Get you back.
Were you scared?
Yeah, I just saw it. It wasn't there. Like, what the fuck? Got you.
Did you fall for it?
Yeah, that shit was good.
Me asustó, hija.
Oh, my face hurts.
Oh my God, se le dio calor.
Se le entumió hasta la cara.
Mira, tan nervioso que estaba. Y luego la regañaron que me iba a dar a mi papá.
¿Por qué? ¿Si se lo robaron? ¿Tú qué?
Pues más inmenso, pues búscalo. Y le voy a decir, pues es lo que estoy diciendo. Y tú me regaña. No, búscalo, me regaña de todos modos.
You're idiots. Oh.
Dude, I thought they had
Okay,
chicken.
tell him what you felt.
Damn, they fucking stole it. Oh, hell no. Estaba buena. Where'd you get the keys from?
I took it from your mom.
Oh.
She already knew.
No wonder he went with it.
Hold
Let
on.
me text this dumbass.
Go ahead.
Oh, dude, my heart's like this. Hey, why you dumbass? Why you going with the prank, you dumbass?
He almost fainted.
Yeah, dude, I was scared of my dad. La regañada que me va a dar.
What you do?
Oh, panic? What else?
It was not my idea, but I supported it.
My stomach hurts, dude. It hurts right here.
But I was pasta. You were carefully
Yeah.
and nervous, huh?
I know. Carlos got me. Where'd you park it?
Right there on the side.
On the curb over there.
That's where you went to go get it right now when you went. Oh, shit.
I didn't see when I told I said, go get it, go get it.
Oh, my stomach hurts.
Ya le dio chorro.
Yeah. Oh, sí, it's brand new, man. Alright, pues.
Todavía te está riendo de que...
¿Era que le ibas a hacer una broma, su hermano?
Sí, al tío sí le dije.
También mi
Por eso le dije que le hablara.
A lo mejor mi mamá también, a lo mejor.
Dios, habla de tu papá, no, me regaña.
Mamá, si fuiste también del plan, vas a ver, ¿eh?
She's gonna be like, ¿yo qué?
Vas a ver más.
You okay?
No. Ah, my cheeks are blue.
Why? It's okay. It was a fucking prank.
Do it to your car when it's brand new. Let's see if it feels the same. Fuck me.
Was it a good prank?
It was a badass prank.
He said he
That's
feels
the
like
criteria.
throwing up. His jaw is locked.
It's like this.
He was scared.
I was scared. Nice prank, clever prank. Don't do it again though. Don't do it again. When they take your car away and you had barely bought it.
You look like you want to cry.
I wanted to cry. I was gonna do it my first payment without a car? Okay.
Ah, safe to say this was a good prank and he fell for it.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my God.
What?
I can't speak.
Well, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe.
Like
Anything you
it.
want to say?
Don't take my car again.
Bye.
No, no. Let's go for a ride. No, stop recording. Let's go. Don't ever leave again.
Okay. Don't ever leave. You're dumb.